Now in this chapter, that is the fifth chapter, it is about MS Paint. You must have done Paint earlier also. In previous classes also, Paint, you must have used it. It allows you to draw lines and shapes and with color, without color, or you want to place text on it or graphics, whatever you want to make the design with. It is one of the most popular and commonly used application in Windows. Do you remember how does the main screen of MS Paint look like? So today we are going to revise all the things. This is the basic layout that we have for Paint. Labels are also there. We are going to see how we use these tools which we see in the ribbon area. So in this chapter, first of all, we'll see how to create a snowman, how to select the drawing, how to delete any part, how to cut, copy or paste something, how to paste a picture into the paint, undo and redo, zooming in and zooming out. So let's see how to do this. Okay, now let us see how to open this software, that is MS Paint. First, click on the Start menu, and in the search bar you can type Paint. You will get this application. Click on it and you have it on the desktop. Here we have this application and we are going to be making a snowman today. So first of all, let me give you an overview of this application. At the top you can see, as I have not saved anything, so it is showing untitled Paint. We have different section over here. First one is selection, then image, tools, brushes, shape, colors, Copilot. We do have it in new version now, and layers. Okay, here we have the size of brush. Here we have the size of the bucket tool, like this. Okay, so let's see how to make the snowman now. First, we will start by drawing the face. So for that, let's select the oval shape and let's click and drag to make the shape. Okay, now we want to make the eyes. We are going to make two more circles inside this. One more. Okay. Now let's take the triangle shape tool to make the nose. And with a pencil tool, let's take this. Or we can even use brush if you want. Let's take brush. Let's take a basic one to make the mouth. Okay. Now let's draw the body. Again, for the body, we are going to take the oval shape. And we are going to draw the body part. Like this. If we are going to press shift and then draw, it is going to give us a perfect circle. Okay, so let's make it by pressing shift key and we have the body. Now we want to make one more circle just below this. for the remaining part of the body like this. And now these overlapping part, we are going to erase with the eraser. Okay, we can always undo the step. Like if I click on undo, it is going to be again the original shape that we had. And we are going to do redo, it is gone. So this is how we can use undo and redo. Now to draw the hands, we are going to again use the pencil tool and we'll have to make the hands. Like this. Now comes the muffler. So for the muffler, again, you can use either brush or the pencil tool. Let's take brush this time and let's make the muffler. Again, this inside part which we don't want, we can always erase it with the eraser. Now comes the cap. Again, let's take a triangle shape and let's make a cap. Now we'll have to fill some color. So to fill the color, I'm selecting this bucket tool, and with this tool, let's fill the color to the hat, that is the cap or hat, with red color. And muffler also red looks good. Let's fill the color in the hand, make it brown. The body is obviously white. Let's fill the eyes with black. And nose again kind of an orangish. Now let's make the background. Again, for background, we can make some trees, some land. So let's take the pencil tool to make the land. Let's make it with black line. Okay, now we are going to make the tree. Now trees, it's your wish, either you want to make it with pencil tool or you want to do it with shapes too. Either way you want to do. You just have to make the zigzag line. And then you can fill this with green color. Taking the bucket tool, and now it's coming out, the color is coming out. That means the uh, tree that we have created is not closing properly. So let's take the pencil tool. Here we can see this is the opening. We can even zoom our drawing to see from where it is opening. So this is the part. Let's cover this again with the blue black one. Okay, let's try to fill now. It's done. Like this. Similarly, we can make trees over here. random shape, just a drawing, you can make it and then fill it with the bucket tool with a green color. Then let's make some snowballs. Again, let's take this black color, make some small balls. Now see, the outline of this circle is too big, so let's make it a bit thin. Sorry, the brush tool we had to take. Like this. We are using the shape tool, so we can change the size of the shape from here, the outline of the shape. So this is how you can make different designs, different drawings using your paint tool. Now I'll show you how to use these selections. We have two types of selection. One is rectangular selection, the other one is free-form selection. Rectangular selection is going to make the rectangular shape of selection. I can move it anywhere. Okay. Now maybe I want a random zigzag form of a shape. So when I click this free-form selection, random shape I'll cut and I can move it like this. So this is rectangular and free-form selections. Two types of selection we have in paint. Okay. Now with the selection, maybe see, suppose I have selected this rectangle, I want to cut this part. So when I have selected the drawing, I can easily delete it also. Okay. Now from this, either you can cut if you want to cut, and you can paste it somewhere else. Okay, by this paste option over here. Okay, maybe you wanted to undo, you wanted to redo, you have all the options here. Okay, then you have, suppose you want to delete something. Again, let's use this tree from this time. Let's select this part. Once it is selected from the keyboard, you can press delete and it is gone. Okay. Control and Z is the shortcut key for the undo. You can undo if you want to reverse the step. So this was all that was there in this chapter. You can make similar sort of design for yourself. See you in the next chapter now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand chapter 5, that is MS Paint. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep growing. Like, share, and subscribe.